Hi everyone, I'm Jeremy with DTF Superstore. We're back in our showroom with our Mimaki DTF printer and one of our new editors, Jenny. Say hi, Jenny. And basically we want to show you guys today in this video how easy it is to print on the new Mimaki. We've talked about it being kind of plug and play. We're going to put that to the test today. Jenny has done a little bit of printing on our Mongoose machine, but she's not ever done anything on the Mimaki. She's really new to DTF as a whole. So hopefully this will give you guys a good idea of how easy it is for someone to just walk in and print something. So Jenny, you're gonna do this all on your own.
All right, I'm excited. All right, hi guys, it's Jenny. So what you're seeing me do right now is turning on the Mimaki, and we're just waiting for it to boot up right now. It didn't take too long for it to boot up. And then once it's done, it's going to tell me to shake the white ink, which is super simple. There's just 2 ink cartridges and you have to shake it back and forth roughly 40 times. I know that sounds like a lot, but it took maybe 20-30 seconds per cartridge, and then it's done. All right, so now that I'm done shaking the white ink, put the cartridges back in, I hit enter, tell it that I did that, and the next thing is media detect. And so right now what the Mimaki does is it just scans the film, sees how wide it is, sees where the edges are, and it knows not to print there, which is really cool. And then from here, all I have to do is just upload my image from my flash drive, and then I'll set it to the size I wanted it to be and hit print, which is significantly fewer steps than what I've tried before with the other printers. And so it's super easy, super user-friendly, and a great way to get started into the DTF world. And now I just gotta wait for the results. It's like a little smiley face.
I'll show you if you want to cut the film, like it's got a built-in cutter.
Oh, that's cool.
Okay, first reactions on how that looks.
That looks so much richer. Oh, that looks so that is so much brighter.
Yeah.
Like especially like the words DTF.
How did that compare to the Mongoose when it came to going from nothing to printing it?
It was significantly easier, just going straight, not having to do any additional setup for the printing. Just uploading my media, sizing it, and hitting print was so much easier. And just, it was literally plug and play, as we've been talking about.
Yeah, so if you guys have been interested in going DTF, but you were concerned about some of the maintenance stuff, the initial kind of having to convince the printer to start up, this is an amazing solution for those of you who've been a little bit hesitant about getting into DTF. This is really the first step of seeing DTF technology mature, and it is truly the first plug and play DTF printer. So reach out to us if you guys want more information, and we'll see you in the next video.